Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Linkings. Welcome to today's tutorial in which we are making adorable love rings you can create right at home. Whether it's for yourself or a special someone, these rings are sure to impress. Material needed: soft wire or jewelry wire, beads or charms, wire cutters, round nose pliers. Optional: paint or nail polish for customization. Step number 1: cut the wire. Start by cutting a piece of wire about 6 inches long. This will give you enough length to create your ring. Step number 2: shape the ring. Wrap the ring around your finger to find the right size. Leave a little extra for adjustment. Once you have the size, twist the wire to secure it. Step number 3: add your charms now. It's time to get creative. Threads, beads, or charms onto the wire, spacing them out as you like. This is where you can really impress your ring. Step number 4: secure the ends. Once you are happy with the design, use the pliers to twist the end of the wire together, making sure everything is secure. Trim any excess wire. Step number 5: finishing touches. If you want to add a pop of color, you can paint up or apply nail polish to your ring. Let it dry completely. Step number 6: show it off. And there you have it, your own cute love ring. Wear it proudly or gift it to someone special. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun projects. Thanks for watching.